So for today, I'm going to be reviewing this Let Fly necklace. First, I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review. So let's go ahead and check it out. So I want to give you a full unboxing moment. So I'm going to go ahead and take the necklace out of the box. When you order this product, you will receive it in a little box like this. It says, Let Fly Unclip Your Sky is what it says in the front of the box. I'm going to go ahead and open it up now. So on the inside, you will see this little baggie right here. And in here is your necklace. So if you are gifting this to someone, you could go ahead and actually use the little box that's included. So you can see it has like a velvety interior. So you could place the necklace on there. You could just simply give it to them like this. And in this little bag, you do get your necklace. Your necklace comes in a little separate plastic baggie. So let me go ahead and take it out so I can show you what this necklace looks like. Now this is in the style Starlight Petals, but it is also available in other styles like a heart, like a butterfly. Take a look at that necklace. Such a beautiful design. This is perfect to wear out, to dress up. Look at the nice chain. This is a 14 karat gold plated. So let me take it out. It's actually very lightweight, as you could see from far. It looks very nice and shiny. Such a cute necklace. Now let me show you. It does have a lobster clasp. So it has a little lobster clasp right here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around now just to give you a closer look at what this necklace looks like from close up. All right, so here is a closer look at that necklace. Take a look the way it shines. And the pendant just hangs on that chain. The chain is included, but look at that beautiful chain. Here's the pendant. Take a look. That's what the back side looks like. The chain is 48 centimeters long. So it's meant to just sit on your collarbone. Very, very nice, elegant look. So let's go ahead and try this on. As you can see, I went ahead and put the necklace on. It sits nice and elegant on your collarbone. But take a look. This is what the necklace looks like from far. So you could actually wear this out for date night. You could wear it to work. You could wear it out when you have a girls' night. This is perfect. It makes a great gift. And let me give you a closer look on this. So pretty, the way it sits there, the way it shines. So if you've been on the lookout for a new necklace or you're looking for the perfect gift for a loved one, then definitely check this one out. I'll go ahead and leave the link down below just so you can see all the styles that they have available. Also, make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.